Hello, beautiful souls. Today, we're here to share something truly special, a journey to rediscover your natural radiance with Rose Uplift, an anti-aging skin tightening serum. So let's dive right in. Nature has a way of embracing us with its elegance, and with Rose Uplift, we've harnessed both the power of roses and specific bioenergized frequencies designed to help you unveil the beauty that's always been within. I use this every single night. Now, my serum is a tribute to the rose's timeless grace, and we've carefully extracted its essence, infusing your skincare routine with its natural and potent magic. Rose Uplift is not about drastic changes or hiding who you are. It's about embracing the journey, a gentle transformation, one self-loving drop at a time. Life is a collection of joyful moments, and I believe that your skincare routine should be one of them. So Rose Uplift makes it easy to pamper yourself, and not only does it feel amazing on your skin, but my customers love to wear it as a natural feminine perfume. You can apply it to your neck, your décolletage, your face, anywhere you feel the need for gentle, time-erasing, skin-boosting hydration and rejuvenation. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear, and with Rose Uplift, you will feel truly radiant in your own skin. At Alchemyst Co., I celebrate the diversity of beauty. We're here to remind you that your unique beauty is a treasure to be cherished and nurtured. Think of Rose Uplift as a gentle daily ritual for your self-care, a small act of self-kindness and self-love that can make your everyday special. I invite you to join us on the journey to rediscovering your natural, radiant self. And let's celebrate the beauty that is genuine, inclusive, and timeless. I just want to thank you for spending this quick moment with us. And remember, your unique beauty is worth celebrating every single day. Until next time, take care and embrace your soul's inner radiance. Become a loving part of the Alchemyst Co community. Just like, share, and follow us right here. And visit our website, alchemystco.com, to purchase your personal Rose Uplift serum today. Here's to celebrating the beauty that's uniquely yours with Rose Uplift. Until next time, keep shining.